Hi friends, welcome to Techie Study and T-SQL tutorial series. In this video, we are going to discuss about primary key constraint in SQL. So a primary key constraint is a combination of unique constraint and a not null constraint. It uniquely identifies each record in a table. Here is an example illustrating how to use a primary key constraint with insert statement data. Let's create a table called SS students with the primary key constraint on the student ID. So create table student ID int primary key. Okay, student ID we have kept as a primary key. So remaining first name and last name varchar 50. Email varchar 100 unique key constraint. Okay. So in this example, student table, student ID is specified as a primary key, meaning it must be unique for each record and it cannot be a null. Email is specified as a unique key constraint, ensuring that each email address is unique in the table, but it's not the primary key. Okay. Now let's go ahead and insert the data. Let me open SSMS. So connect. Use training. Let me use a training database. Okay. Create a table. So there is a if there is a table. Previous session I have shown you how to write a rerunnable table script. Okay. We need to follow that. If you haven't watched it, please go through the previous video. So for now, let me drop the table and create the table. So we are giving example on same students table. That's the reason I have dropped out. Here not null for a first name and email is unique and student is primary key. Okay. Let's see. This will succeed. Why? Because all columns we have data. Okay. And this one will fail with a duplicate primary key violation error. Cannot insert a duplicate key on object. The duplicate key value is 1. It's giving the value also. Okay. Value ID. So the student ID. So it's a duplicate, hence it is failing. It's not, this is not able to insert the data. Okay. This will succeed. Why? Because so the row student ID is 2 and all fields have data. Okay. It should be unique. So email is unique and first name is not null and primary key. There is a 2. Hence it is inserted. Okay. This will fail. Why? Because so the email ID already exists. Unique key constraint. See, violation of unique key constraint. Cannot insert a duplicate key in object student value. This is the example. This is given the value as well. Okay. John we have already inserted into the table. Hence it is failed. Okay. So not null first name, right? In first name, let's add as a null. Let me insert this. See, cannot insert a null value into the first name column. This is already we saw the previous session examples. Okay. So in this insert statements, so before that, let me show you. Select star from students. So if it is real time, we need to use always with no lock. Why? Because so it will avoid the duplicate deadlocks. Okay, maybe multiple users hits on that same table, then maybe it will create deadlocks and blockings. Okay, for that purpose we will use always with no lock in the real time environment. Okay, Keep in mind. Sorry. In this example insert statements, the first one succeeds because insert a new unique key student ID. Okay. The second one fails because it tries to insert a duplicate value student ID violating the primary key constraint. Okay. The third one succeeds because it inserts a new unique student ID. The fourth one, the fourth one fails. It tries to insert the duplicate value of email John at the rate example.com. This is already we have in the table, so that is the reason it's creating violating the unique key constraint on the email column. The fourth one, we are trying to insert null value. Okay, hence that fails with not null key constraint error. Okay. Well, see, cannot does not allow the null values. It's a null constraint, and it's failed with cannot insert null values. So this is about a primary key constraint. So if you are watching first time, please subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends. Do like, comment, and share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.